me show some. Let me hold it. Let me show some.
All right. Point it at me. I'm recording. Point it. Point the camera. I'm glad. See, that's the reason why I didn't want you to wear the
slippers.
yeah, you would have been sliding all over the place.
My sneakers go. I have to wash it.
Yep. At least you got another week though. Oh, you can make it up that big hill.
Wow.
You,
I'm not fat.
yeah,
The exercising is good for me.
it is, and the water. All right, I might need to run and start on this one. Go in front of me. I need to watch you. Yeah, really? Go in the middle. Don't go on that side. Please be careful, babe.
I don't know what coming back down now. Wow. Nah, you gotta look in so I won't slide.
Coming down is the easy part. Ooh, this is where a dual sporter come in handy. How you feel?
Tired.
You want to take a little break? Drink some water.
Yeah.
Go. You're a trooper. You're doing it. I hear water. One thing I love about Grenada out here in the woods, there are no bears in Grenada. I don't have to. Okay. Hold on to my waist.
Okay.
Hold on to me. One step at a time. One. There we go. One step.
They're fine in front of us.
One step. One step here. That's it. One step.
One step at a time.
Yep. You okay?
Yeah, good.
Okay. Plus it rained here all last night. You okay? I heard that. I didn't see it, but I heard it.
You caught me.
Yep. You wasn't gonna say nothing.
Oh, they have that shit in case it's going for.
Yeah. I'm not going too far. I just want to get this shot. Bamboo. Like a wall of bamboo right there. Under the shed of mystery. More bamboo. River. Uh-oh. More terrain to negotiate. What? No way. Oh, wow.
This one is really tough.
This one is awesome.
Wow.
You know what they say, the best things in life is free.
Yeah.
This is way better than what we paid for.
Yeah.
Get out of here. What? Get out of here. Oh, shoot, there's somebody over there. Alright. You said it was bigger?
Yeah, like open them gates.
Okay. I'm gonna go over there. Are you serious? What? That is amazing. Hi. Hello. All right. Oi. You can make it?
Yeah, I'm okay.
You want to sit next to me?
I can stay here.
Okay. Hey, out of everything I've seen in Grenada, look what I'm pointing. This is the most beautiful thing. I'm pointing at you.
Thank you.
You ugly. Love you.
Love you too.
I don't think nothing can top this vacation. I think they're gonna try to make it. I think they're gonna go try to make it to the waterfall. That's what it looked like. Yeah, I know. Beautiful Lake Antoine. All right.
Oh, this is beautiful.
This is beyond beautiful. It's like we walked into a picture.
Wow.
We walked into a movie. Hold up, camera scoop on. You got to be kidding me. You got to be kidding me. Sugar apples. Nice. Can't wait to see what these taste like.